what's up, guys? This is my YouTube channel. This is my very first video, and I'll be taking you through how to create a free website or a free blog. So, what I'm trying to do now is to make you aware that you can have a free blog or a free website for your business, for your passion, whether you're into photography, you're into graphic design, you're into fashion design, you're a journalist, and you want to practice your craft, then you can be able to create a free blog and a free website for your business or for your passion. So this is a low budget website. It doesn't cost you much. It doesn't cost you anything other than your data or your internet connectivity and so on. So I'll take you through the website. This is blogger.com. So I'll take you through the website. Just type blogger.com on your browser, and it will bring you this particular page. So it helps you to choose the perfect design. There's many themes you can use to lay the foundation for your new website. So you can also get a unique domain name, and then you can also earn money from Google AdSense while you practice your craft. So you can also be able to know your audience, those viewing your website or your blog, and there are different locations where they are viewing from. So also you can also hang on to memories, because this particular website is sponsored and controlled by Google. Google has a lot of unlike all other hosting sites, when if you don't pay, they delete all your materials from the website, from the hosting sites like WordPress and the likes. Here on Blogger, your files are secured. They are intact forever, so you don't have to pay anything to keep your files here for a very long time. So it will be here for a very, very long time unless you delete it. So join millions of others who are sharing their expertise and through a lot of through their passion and their business orientation. So this is just what I have to show you here. Then to the very, very important segment, which is to create the blog. So you see, create your blog. So I'll click. You have to click these right now. So the next thing we're going to do is to input our blog title and the blog domain name that is unique to this blog. So I'm going to pick out a title now. So what I'm going to title would be Creative Arts. So creative arts, just put next, just click next. Then for the page URL, creative blog 101, okay, 102. So this is available. Just make sure it's available. Once it's available, then you can continue. So this is, just click next. This is save. So after saving this, it will give you this, like something like a dashboard. So with this dashboard, you'll be able to make changes to your blog. So the first thing I would want to do to make changes to this particular blog is to click on theme. That's the first thing you'd want to change when you are creating a website or a blog. So I'll pick this particular thing. I'll pick apply. So if you go to the blog, you'll be able to see view blog. So you'll be able to see this. So creative arts. You've seen it. Creative arts. There's nothing really much going on here. We're just getting started. So after making your changes to the theme, after selecting and applying the theme, just click customize. Make changes to the color, to the main color theme. You can even change the image. You understand? You can change the image, you can change it to just anything you want. Let's pick one image. Okay, this one, see, you've been able to change it. Okay, so if you are not satisfied with the change we made, if you want to return to this particular default image, then we can just click here, clear on save changes. So here you can change the main color, but I'm not going to do that now. So when you go to advanced, the advanced settings, you'll be able to change so many. The background color is black currently. The theme colors and everything, you can change and make it transparent. For the purpose of this tutorial, I won't do that. I'll just go through. Okay, the title font, this is the size. You can change the kind of font you want for the title. Here you can also change so many different aspects of it. So you can make the changes you want to the website as long as you like it and as long as it looks good. So that's that about this aspect of advanced. Then you can also go to gadgets, about me. Do you want to display your about me, or you want to keep it to yourself? So this is it. Just pick out the kind of changes you'd want, and when you are done, just click save and then move to the next. Just go to back to take you back to the dashboard. So here, the next thing we're going to do here is to go to settings. To go to settings, this is your title. You can make your changes according to how you like it, and I'm going to leave it like this. You can change your description. Then the blog language, the default language is English. Then if you have any other, this one is for contents that are not for children, so you can just put some of these things there. Then Google Analytics, if you want to know who is checking through your blog and from where they are checking through, so just sign on to Google Analytics, sign up to Google Analytics, and then get your property ID. After getting your property ID, then you'll be able to input it here and save. But because I don't want to do that, I'm only concerned about creating a free website for now, then I'll have to click cancel. So if you want to make this blog to be visible to search engine, if you are making a change, let's say you are currently changing some aspects or you are editing the website, you don't want it to be visible to the search engine, and you don't want your visitors to meet the website unkept, so you just make it invisible to search engines. Then when you are done with the editing or changes you are making, then make it visible. But right now I'll leave it at visible. So publishing, the blog address, you can change this later and you can change this to whatever you like. You can edit it as long as you just make your changes. So for the purpose of this tutorial, I'll leave it at that. So custom domain, you can change your domain to a custom domain. For the purpose of this is a free website, but you can get a domain name that will be custom domain, which will have probably www.creativeblog102.com. So, but you can buy the domain name, but for the purpose of this tutorial, which is free, would only settle with .blogspot.com. So cancel this. Then so there are so many settings you can go through here that are very, very important. So just make sure you are getting it right. The comment section, you can comment. Users with Google account, you want to leave it like this, you want to leave it like this, you don't want to make too many changes to this. So readers capture, here you want to leave it like this, because you have to be able to verify that these are human beings making real comments on your blog, so that you can be interactive enough to keep the blog alive. So this is for email. So formatting your time zone, you can pick a time zone. I'll leave it like this, and you can pick the format of the date. Just leave it like this, and all other formats too. So meta tag and everything, search description, and then you can enable it. You can put in something, and then for the purpose of this, I'll leave it like this. Custom, yeah, I'll leave it like this. So enable custom robot txt. You want to leave it like this until you are done with the editing of the website. Then you can click on, then and this monetization, this should be the last thing in your mind, because you want to create content, you want to create important materials for people to be able to use on the web. So before, you can't do this until when you are done with all of the editing you want to do. Then you can now monetize your blog. So if you want to import any content, back up your content, videos from your blog, or even remove your blog when you are tired of the blog, you can just if you click remove, it will tell you that these will be deleted, but you have the ability to restore it within 90 days. So I'll just cancel for now, then allow blog feed. So many different options. So your profile, you can make changes to these, you can edit it. So you do as long as you see fit. And then so the next thing I would want to do here is to, so this is how the layout is. When you click it, you see. So this is how the layout is. You can make changes. Your about me, and edit it as you see fit. You can even remove it if you are not satisfied with it. You can remove it. Blog archive, and just choose as you see fit, and so many other things that you can do. So many changes you can make here. So in the footer, you just put copyright stuff there, but I'm not going to do that now. Then the next thing you want to do is you want to create your pages. For now, we'll create some pages. So I'll name this sample page 1. Sample page 1. So you might want to save it as drafts, or you might want to publish it, but now I would want to publish it. You fill in several details of what you want to fill in, and then you click publish. Do you want to publish? This will publish this page to your blog. Yes, confirm it. And this is your first page that you are creating. You can also revert it to draft if you are not sure yet. or you can publish it again, or you can delete it, you can view it, and then so many other things. So when you refresh this, here what you do is view. So this is your first page. This is your first page, your only page. So then after creating the page, and also go to posts, create a post. So after creating a post, that's when you can get comments. Then that's when this will be visible when you are getting comments. And you start from the Google Analytics I talked about. You can be able to see stats, data of how your post is moving, your pages are doing, and so many other things in this section. So when you are done with all of these things, then you can go to earnings. On these earnings, you will be told to connect your AdSense to this. If you don't have an AdSense account, just go to AdSense, log in, and sign up, and then you'll be able to connect your AdSense to this particular blog or website. I have an AdSense already, so that's why it's telling me to connect AdSense. This is my AdSense ID, so I already have an AdSense account, but for the purpose of this tutorial, I would leave it like this. I'm bother to connect it because there's nothing to really show. This is just a new website, and I've not even done a lot of changes to it, so it won't be wise for me to connect my AdSense to this blog. So this is pretty much everything you have to know about how to create a free blog and a free website for your crafts, for your business, for your passion. And I'm very happy to take you through this particular tutorial, and I look forward to uploading more videos. Just click the subscribe button and the notification bell, and also like this video and share. Thank you very much. I'm so grateful. I'm so thankful for doing this very first YouTube video, and thank you very much. Peace.